My name is Brendan Giles. I'm the founder and CEO of Athena Intelligence. I want to quickly show how fast we're able to iterate on a schema, how we can actually generate that and iterate on top of that in a matter of seconds, maybe under a minute. So we're meeting with the Old Spice team, Old Spice at P&G. Their data set is going to be marketing performance from their hair care line. And can you put 3 sample values for each field? So we can see pretty quickly how we're going from a broad idea into a specific schema that's going to plug into Gretel Navigator. Let's open Gretel Navigator. We'll paste this in and generate. I think this is great. And right off the bat, we can see a pretty great data set of everything from demographics, customer reviews, so different data types. Our iteration from these data sets is quite small, actually. It's our job to kind of come up with that original idea, and then Gretel Navigator does a lot of the heavy lifting to understand what's the representative data set. And I can actually download this and start using it with a customer.